how you feel about this place?
I find it really amusing because there's no other place in Qatar that is as beautiful as this, and the archaeological value is still maintained in this specific place. Because I would recommend that there's no proper roads to this area because more people would find out and it would be vandalized. Like I think it should be maintained still as an old archaeological site, and we can come and see what actually is a sinkhole because many people don't really know what a sinkhole is unless and until we come here and we see how beautiful it is. And I really appreciate that Abna Qatar is cleaning the place very properly and has maintained it very well. And hopefully being able to volunteer for them one day.
You're more than welcome. You're more than welcome. Any more words? So how you know about the place?
We found the place online actually. A few of our friends suggested it to us, and I mean
On Instagram, on social media basically. Like on social media, friends had posted about the place. So we had just wanted to come and check it out.
Do you know the name of the place?
sinkhole.
Yeah, Musfur.
Al Musfir Sinkhole.
Yeah. We don't know that
Yeah.
one.
Al Musfir
the only
Sinkhole.
sinkhole here, or is there more?
No, there is another one.
There is
but
more,
you
but-
cannot go down. In the
Yeah.
other one.
Okay.
Also the small. This is the bigger one. Yeah.
It's more than 170 meters deep.
But yeah, it's for like a trek and all. It's nice just to go down and see what's happening and come back up. It's nice. Like a small exercise also. It's pretty nice. To go
Yeah.
there and come.
You're right. You're right. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
Thank
much.
you.